Guys, we need to talk. So you the know why you hate me raiding Costa Rica from 1973. I was started raiding Ireland from 1956. I love you guys. Except for you. I raided Philippines from 1989. I was requesting Dominica from 2017. I hate that anime character on the profile and that dog too. Rate for you guys. I rated every single old EAS alarms. Why you won't do a request for me in a rate? 1973 and 2017? Tell me why. Why this sad news that everyone loved me at Norm's EAS Alarms. Give me likes now. Right now. I hate you anime and dog. You will regret this right now. Explain me why. Tell me about 1956 and 1973, and why won't you request me about this? Say yes, I love yes. Talk to you right now. Enough. You have no choice, dog, in that Demon Slayer profile. Have peace.